Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a card lighter. First, understand that these slim, pocket-sized devices are incredibly convenient. They are designed to be easily carried, often fitting into a wallet or small pocket, making them perfect for on-the-go use. Most operate using butane fuel, providing a consistent and controllable flame for various tasks. Before using your card lighter, proper fueling and safety are paramount. Always use premium butane fuel for the best performance and longevity. When refilling, do so in a well-ventilated space, far from any open flames or heat sources. Ensure the lighter is completely cool before adding fuel. Always keep the lighter pointed away from your face and any flammable objects during ignition. Operating your card lighter is straightforward. First, locate the ignition button or switch, typically found on the side or top edge. Press and hold this button firmly to ignite the flame. Many models feature a small adjustment screw on the bottom, allowing you to increase or decrease the flame height to your preference. Remember to release the button to safely extinguish the flame after use. To ensure your card lighter remains reliable, proper maintenance and storage are key. Regularly check the fuel level and refill it before it runs completely dry. Periodically clean the ignition port to prevent any debris from obstructing the flame. Always store your lighter in a cool, dry environment away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. For safety, keep it out of the reach of children.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.